Hell, man. Hey, man, I'm getting a bite. Don't make me fucking bear nest it. What was that, Johnny?
Fuck you, Dick.
I don't want to fucking bear.
I don't want a bear nest.
I don't want to fucking bear nest it. This motherfucker over here coming up with new fucking fishing terms.
It's because I got a bear.
I don't want to fucking bear nest it. Dumb motherfucker.
Hey, shh. Hey, shh. You're scaring the fish.
Hey, you gonna fucking fish? You're scaring the fish. You're fucking.
No, I'm not. How can I scare the fish with this beautiful face, Robbie?
We're gonna fucking get that goddamn chihuahua uses some motherfucking bait. You catch another goddamn fish, I swear to God. Motherfucking beer nest. This motherfucker's drunk. I can't say shit, I am too.